250-gram boneless chicken. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon allspice powder. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 cup water. Mix it. Cover and cook on medium flame for 15 minutes. 2 tablespoons soya sauce. Cook on high flame until water is dried. Turn on the stove. Mash well. ½ kilograms potatoes, boiled. Add prepared chicken. 3 tablespoons breadcrumbs. 1 tablespoon green chilies, chopped. 2 tablespoons fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Grease the hand. One egg. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Mix well. Coat in egg. Medium hot oil. Cook on medium to low heat until light golden.